How to use Hinge dating app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the Hinge dating app. Now I've already made a video on how you can sign up on Hinge, so you can watch that video. But once you have signed up and once you open up Hinge, now here at the top at the home page you can see the compatible, you can see active today, you can see nearby and new here options, which is for Hinge Plus, and here you'll be able to like. Now you can view across by scrolling down, and you can like any user that you wish to. Tap on the like option there. If you want to add comment, you can add comment. You can tap on send like and your like will be sent. Similarly, you can see you can go ahead and like it this way, or you can comment as well. Now at the bottom you'll get various options where you can see standouts as well, and there you can see who likes you. If you have boosted, you can boost your profile as well from here, and you can see your matches. If you do have matches, you'll be able to see it right here. And if you want to change anything on your profile, you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have matched someone, you can head over to this chat section and you can start chatting up with them. So this way you can use Hinge dating app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.